When I first started to use a platform, what I do is I test platforms out that I need to be able to understand in the first couple of hours. If I cannot understand the program in the first couple of hours to adopt the program, how can I possibly allow my learners and my staff to understand the program if I can't pick it up? The adoption process for students is very seamless. We rarely talk to our students and mentors, our teachers. Our teachers enrol the students pick it up extremely simply. It's very rare that a student will actually contact us with problems. The system just seems to work really easily and really friendly. The student has a lot of options on the screen that they can vary from dark mode to light mode. They can put their own backgrounds in, they communicate with us. So as far as enrolling a new student, it is probably one of the most simplest systems that we've ever used.